A little bit of caution in the marketplace today, and markets leveling off after an early morning sell-off with consumer staples, information tech, communication services sectors moving a bit higher. Focus is now not only on earnings, but also about the uptick in rates we've seen recently. About 20% of S&P 500 companies have reported earnings so far. Nearly 80% of them have already beaten estimates. The 10-year is now above 4.2% for the first time in 3 months. Earlier this morning, Richmond manufacturing data came in slightly better than expected, and the International Monetary Fund raised U.S. growth forecast, now expects U.S. growth of 2.8% for the year. That's up from prior expectations. ES option data today, large buying in today's expiring 5880 puts and 5900 calls, as well as this Friday's end of week 5800 puts. 30,000 of those, and many of those were bought on the opening today between $8.25 and $9. Overall put volume has eased a little bit, but it's still over 75% of all ES options that traded last week. And open interest of put options sit near 80%. Compare that to the NASDAQ and the Russell 2000, where put open interest is less than 60%. ES implied volatility continues to be subdued. This Friday, just under 10%. That does rise to over 15% for the November week 2 expiration, which obviously includes the election. And Bitcoin has really held in there with the rising dollar and rising rates. And it did trade down today to 66,500, but rallied almost all the way back to 67.5. And MBT, micro Bitcoin future volume today at CME, about 36,000 contracts.